much ahead. And the match kicks off. Neymar. And that's how it's done. So the first goal today, great work from the player there. And we're hoping to get more. Valverde with the ball. And the referee calls play back for offside. It's a close call, but it's been flagged for offside. Neymar. And the referee calls play back for offside. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. Nodded on. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. What a well-timed tackle. Passed well. Some safe passing from this team. A long-distance pass. Leal with the ball. And back to the goalkeeper. Oh, that's great determination. He's speeding down the wing now. Ah, good passing on display. Neymar. Is this a goal? What an opportunity. They're now right back in this match. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. It's a second half. Some fresh changes have been made. And it's back to the keeper. Throw in here. Ah, that's out of play. With the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions. No trouble there for the assistant to raise his flag. He was clearly offside. Back to the keeper. The scores are level, but they want to find a way through. That's a terrible tackle. There can be no complaints. A straight red. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. This is Haaland. An ambitious pass. Good defending. Oh, he's well offside. Modric. Could there be a winning goal here? There's not long left. Neymar. Is this the moment? Oh, not the best effort there. The keeper kicks it upfield. Played back to the goalkeeper.